Hello children, welcome you in bio class. Children, in this class I am going to explain you deviation from Mendelism. You know Mendel explained inheritance in terms of discrete hereditary determiner. This discrete hereditary determiners was factor, and now it is called at the present time that determiner factor its present name is gene. So now it is called gene. Mendel was very lucky in his experiment time. Reason Mendel selected the character in the pea plant. That characters were controlled by determiners or factors or genes. That genes were found on the separate chromosomes. Therefore, there was law of segregation and law of independent assortment was possible. The gene are factors which control the height of the plant, color of the flower, shape of the seed, color of the seed coat. That 7 characters he has selected. These characters controlled by 7 genes, but their genes were found on the separate chromosomes. Therefore, there was segregated, means separated, and there was independent assortment. But after the rediscovery of Mendel's law, hereditary experiments were conducted on large number of animals and plants. Numerous exceptions to Mendelian ratios were observed. So, this was explained by modifying the Mendel's law. Means, when there was the deviation from Mendelian's ratio, then it was explained to modify the Mendel's law. Now this is called post-Mendelian genetics or neo-Mendelian genetics. This includes interaction between the alleles or allele of a gene, or interallelic interaction, intragenic interaction. So all these were coming in the deviation from Mendelism. There was incomplete dominance or partial dominance. It means when 2 alleles of a pair are not related as dominant and recessive. In incomplete dominance, the gene of an allelomorphic pair are not related as dominant and recessive, but express themselves when present together in the hybrid. Therefore, F1 hybrid exhibit a character intermediate to the effect of 2 parental alleles. This you can understand. There are the parent plants having the red flower and white flower. Red and white. So these are the parent. Their alleles are capital or small r. Gamete capital small. So this is the gamete produced by red parent plant, and this gamete produced by female parent plant. Now, after the fusion, progeny was produced, and this progeny is F1 generation. F1 progeny are neither red nor white. F1 progeny is pink. It carry the allele of red plant. It carry the allele of white plant. Capital R from red plant, capital small r from the white plant, but its color is pink. So the inheritance of flower color present a good example of incomplete dominance. Here, children, I told when a cross is made between the true breeding red flowered plants and true breeding white flowered plants, F1 were all pink flowered. And when the F1 pink flower are self-pollinated, are crossed among themselves, the F2 plant means progeny individuals or progeny of F2 generations were produced, and that are with red, pink and white. The ratio of red, pink and white is 1:2:1. So here phenotypic ratio is matches with the genotypic ratio of monohybrid cross, but the phenotypic ratio had changed. You have studied. Mendel has told in monohybrid cross phenotypic ratio is 3:1. But what is the phenotypic ratio here? This I have taken the example of snapdragon. So snapdragon plant producing red flower and white flower. So when there is the cross between red and white, individual of F1 are pink, but when there is self cross, then F2 generation having the ratio phenotypic ratio 1:2:1. But in the pea plant, you have studied phenotypic ratio is 3:1. So this is the incomplete dominance. The phenomena of incomplete dominance can be explained on the basis of Mendelian segregation. In case of complete dominance, the recessive factors fail to show its effect. It means recessive genes is entirely ineffective in the presence of dominant genes, dominant factor. But in incomplete dominance, both alleles, red and white, capital or small r, both alleles have almost equal effect on the phenotype. Therefore, the phenotype of F1 progeny is intermediate character. That is intermediate character of the hybrid. Therefore, when the parent plant is red and white, then F1 progeny are pink. Pink is intermediate between red and white. So this is the one example. Like this, you will study there are many examples of incomplete dominance. So children, you have to learn. In the complete dominance, recessive factors fails to express to itself in the presence of dominant gene. But in the incomplete dominance, both genes express to itself equally. Therefore, intermediate phenotype character has expressed.